Up here.
Now you can have my Lego if you want to.
What are you doing way up here?
Daddy, you can have my Lego if you want to.
All right, I want it.
That's too late. I'll get it.
Hey, what are my kids doing way up there? Sienna.
Kid,
Hey,
Daddy.
that's my spider web.
That's mine. No, it's mine.
Sienna.
Spider web.
What are you doing? Are you being safe?